I'm Shaul Kfir. I'm one of the co-founders and the chief architect at Digital Asset. Digital Asset is a software company. We are the company behind Daml, which is a smart contract framework and programming language that companies use to build multi-party applications across industries between multiple companies. So companies will come together to agree on some business rules on how they work together, and they will encode that in a type of program called the smart contract. And that defines how those companies across an industry can collaborate. Smart contracts are the core technology behind blockchains, or the way that programmers and companies interact with blockchains. The main roadblock to adoption thus far has been the maturity of the technology. There was no public blockchain that enabled you to have all three of an easy-to-use smart contract language, privacy, and control over the scalability of your application. So easy to use is important because we need to be able to train our workforce to build our business processes in a smart contract language in a way that isn't prone to errors and cyber attacks. Privacy is critical to businesses. We can't have all of our data public for everyone to read. And scalability, as a business, I want to know that if my user base increases, if the use of my service increases, that I can control and add more resources without slowing down my services that I give to my customers. Digital Asset addresses these shortcomings through Daml and Canton, which are unique technology among smart contract languages and blockchains. Daml is a smart contract language that, in addition to the rules of the market and the definition of what data we're coordinating and what workflows we're coordinating, also clearly specifies who is allowed to see which piece of data or who is allowed to see each step in a workflow. Canton is a network that knows how to distribute those data and workflow across the different participants of the market based on what we encoded in the Daml smart contract language without disclosing data to any other party, maintaining synchronization across all the different parties. Digital Asset's vision is a global economic network where businesses can seamlessly interact. For such a global economic network, we need everyone, first of all, to be synchronized, but we need every application operator to have control over their own application, over the privacy, over the scale of that application. Digital Asset's tools allow you to join that global economic network by having granular control over your application, over its scale, over its privacy, over who can see what data and who can do what within that application, while deploying that application onto this global economic network and interacting with other applications that other service providers put in that global economic network. We've increasingly seen customers at the beginning deploy their own services, but as more and more customers come together, we're seeing this cross-industry collaboration and innovation where people are coming up with new ideas on how to do more exciting things with blockchains. The idea that at some point, any technologist, any developer can come and add to those services, and increasingly we're going to have a flywheel of value on the global economic network. I found that very compelling. Daml is an open source technology, and if you want to learn more, you can find us at digitalasset.com.